Okay, so now that you have all these little pieces kind of weaved into the middle, you're going to take and try to keep it, as you can see, but I'm reweaving it down through that stays on the same weave pattern as before. I don't know if you can see. I'm kind of pulling it through, and you're going to just take it and just go the, you don't go over under again, you just kind of slide it through. You're sliding it through so you don't have to cut off too much of it. For these thicker ones, it makes it better for the bottom to keep weaving those on through. Let's see. Alright, so you have all these little flappy pieces on the bottom, so you're just going to take and slide them to wherever they're going to fit on there. And then try to end the piece under one of the other leaves. See how you can't really see that one, it's kind of under a leaf. So there we go. And you keep weaving these through. These are kind of in the way. Let's take it. Start kind of tucking them. Same with this one. Oops, that one split. It's okay. There we go. If you need to cut off pieces of it, you cut it off, but try to make sure it can barely slip under another one so it finishes it. So I got this one, leave it under, and finish it off under that little piece right there. So here, slide them back through. Gives extra design to it as well. You can do this with cloth or anything. You just have to cut strips of cloth and just kind of keep weaving it like we are here, but just opposite, you know, with the material. It's not as stiff, so it's a little harder to deal with the sides. But if you do that part where you go ahead and measure all the way around the edges of it, you probably will get it very, finished up really good. A couple of pieces kind of sticking out, try to tuck them somewhere. And we are almost finished. But the bottom should look complete. Some of them are hard to slide under. There we go. This will take a couple hours probably. I did it in separate little videos. And if you have people pestering you, just try to ignore them. mysterious pieces of leaf coming in and out of the screen. We can thank my daughter for that. Alright, so any of the little pieces that are kind of see at the bottom of the basket, then you got your sides, the bottom. Alright, I think we're about finished. We gotta attach the handle, so we'll do that here in a minute. But the inside you do just like the bottom. Just keep weaving them till they're finished looking. That one piece is kind of sticking out, because once it dries, it'll be a nice little woven basket. So your little braided handle that you made, you might want to make it a little bit, get one of the longer pieces. I didn't get this one braided real good, but you're going to take it and the pieces that you can tie together, I'm going to take it through one of the little corners and tie them like such, and make you a beautiful little braided handle. So I want to see everybody's baskets. We'll have a nice break. So here is our basket. Good job.